We're going to find out the HCF and LCM for the given numbers using the prime factorization method. So we have three numbers, that is 12, 15 and 21. The prime factors of 12 are 2 square into 3. That is 4 can be written as 2 square into 3. And the factors of 15 are 3 and 5. And for 21 we have the factors 3 and 7. 3 into 7 is 21. So the smallest common factors you can see here is, you can see that we have the factors 3 is common in all the terms, all the three terms. 3 here, you can see 3 here. So the smallest common factor is only 3 here. So we can write down the HCF of these three numbers 12, 15 and 21 is 3. So we have to find out the number which is common, most common to all the three numbers. Next we are going to find out the greatest powers. We have written all the factors of the three numbers. So from that we are going to take the greatest powers of prime factors. So what are the greatest powers of prime factor? You can write it as 2 square and 3 is common for all the terms, so you can write 3. So the greatest power of 5 is 5 power 1 only, and then 7 is having the highest power 1. So we multiply all together, we get 420. So we got the HCF and LCM for the number 12, 15 and 21. Next we go to the second question. We have the three numbers 17, 23 and 29. We can see that the prime factors of 17, 23 and 29 is just 1 into 17, because you can see that these are all the prime numbers. So it doesn't have any factors other than 1 and also 29. So the smallest common factor is 1, is just 1. And so we can conclude that the HCF of these three numbers is 1. And we are going to find out the greatest powers. The greatest powers are, we have only 17 and we can write it as 17 power 1, comma 23 power 1 and 29 power 1. So we have to just multiply all these numbers to find out the LCM. So we multiply 17 into 23 into 29 gives 1139. So we go to the third question. We can find out the prime factors of 8 can be written as 2 power 3, and the prime factors of 9 are 3 square, 3 power 2, and for 25 we can write it as 5 square. Okay, so we have written all the prime factors. The smallest, we cannot find out any common factors. You can see that 8 have the number 2 and 9 is having the factors 3 and 25 is having the prime factor 5. So 2, 3 and 5, they don't have any, they're not common to all the three numbers. So we can have only 1 as the smallest common factor, and we can say the HCF is 1, and the greatest powers, so you can write it as 2 power 3, 3 square, and 5 power 2. So we multiply all these numbers, that is 8 into 9 into 25 is equal to 1800. We got the LCM is 1800. So this is a way of finding the HCF and LCM for the 3 numbers if it is given like this. I hope you could understand and enjoy the class. Press the like button and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.